got the locus that covered the earth one day a long time ago. Locust. Right? This is just locus. It is a set of points that meet given conditions. It's a set of points that meet given conditions. A circle is a locus. It's a set of points the same distance or equal distance from another point. The concept of locus is very simple. It's a set of points that meet a given condition. And they're going to make up some scenarios for you. And they're going to ask you to describe what that looks like. And sometimes they'll be easy, and sometimes they'll be really tricky. You have to open up your imagination a little bit. Think outside of the normal box. Or circle. Whatever you're used to thinking in. Or bubble. Okay? So, first example here says all the points in a plane that are 4 units from the point 3,5. So the point 3,5. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That point right there is 3,5. How would I find one point that's 4 units away? Go 4 units over which way? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. How would I find another one 4 units away? Do what? Go 4 more over? So if I go over here 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that one 4 units away from here? No. The directions of the locus were all the points in a plane that are 4 units from this point, right? So that one didn't work, but I'm glad you said that so that we could talk about it. Go the other way? I mean go west? Whoops there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Do what? Up to? Up also? From where? From 3,5. So up 1, 2, 3, 4. And down 4. Okay. So we have those 4 points. What's that? You need a protractor now? Or a compass? You mean a compass or a protractor? Compass. So you want me to get my compass out? What was you trying to say, Michael?
Go 4 points to the left of the top one.
Can I just go where?
4 points to the left of the top one. The top one right there.
So you want to go 4 left of this?
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, 4 here? Is that point 4 units away from there?
No, that's why we have this.
Then if I did that everywhere, it'd make a square, wouldn't it? So are the diagonals of the square the same distance as that? No. I mean, I agree this is 4, but is this 4? It's not, is it? So what shape is this, everything that's 4 units away? It's a circle. And that's why Caleb was suggesting we get our protractor out, right? He meant compass. I knew what he meant.
It's Miss Spencer's fault.
What's that?
It's Miss Spencer's fault.
Oh, okay. We'll blame Mrs. Spencer.
Stop it.
All right, so it looks something like that. Everywhere on that circle, we're 4 units away from the point 3,5. Okay? And that's what they're asking for. So none of these lines belong in there. Okay? And these points don't belong in there. Come on. Take that. Okay? So that was pretty straightforward and easy, wasn't it? Okay? I can't promise they're all going to be that straightforward. Some are a little more tricky. All the points of plane 3 units from the segment AB. If A is 1, 4 and B is negative 2, 4. So here's our segment.
Maybe I need to take out.
Okay, I'm sorry, 1 second. This is 1, 4. And this is negative 2, 4. All the points in the plane 3 units away from this segment. All the points in the plane 3 units from segment AB. All right. Any ideas on what that's going to look like? Anybody identify one point that's going to be 3 units away from that segment?
From both of them?
What's that?
From both segments?
There's only one segment there.
Oh, we're doing A first? Or never mind.
Segment
I know what
AB.
I'm-
There's 2 endpoints labeled, but they said 3 units from the segment. So. Let me pause while you guys think, and then we will record all this dead air. So Jacob thinks he has a point that's going to be 3 units away from the segment. We'll let him plot it, and then we'll talk about whether we agree with him or not. Oh, would you choose red for me, please? Okay. Thanks. Is that one 3 units from the segment?
Yeah, no. Yes.
Okay. Morgan? Negative 2, 1. You want to put a dot there? Okay. Do we agree with Morgan? Okay, good. I agree with her. Any other points we recognize are 3 units away? Jacob's really itching to give us another thought. What do you think, Jacob?
Couldn't you just do every dot, wait, couldn't you do the entire line between negative 2 and 1, on the same line that the dots are on?
Okay, so you want to use the 2 dots that you and Morgan put up and connect it with a segment?
Yes.
Okay. I cannot argue with that. I mean, I could, but I'd be lying to you. So you want to say that all of these points are 3 units away?
Yes.
Okay, I would agree with that. Caleb?
If you took the compass and put it on A and you drew a semicircle from 1, 1 to 7, 1,
I mean,
or, yeah, 1, 7, wouldn't all those points be 3?
so you're saying I should have hid my compass from you, so you couldn't see it. But you're saying that if I put this here, all of those are 3 units away from that segment?
Maybe you want to do that on the other side also?
Yeah, you can do that on the other side.
I could do that on the other side also, you say? So I could come over to B. Go to there.
And then everything between those 2 points.
In what?
And then everything between those 2 points on top, like you did on.
Oh, okay, so you're also saying then that this segment is part of it. I would agree with that. Everywhere on there, on the red track, okay, I'm gonna be 3 units away from that segment. Okay? I would absolutely agree with that. That's a good job. So, to identify the now, we might have to say what is the shape. Call it an oval. It's actually not an ellipse. Okay. We might call it a racetrack. Yeah.
I wish we had smart words.
Okay. What's that?
Scuba goggles.
I'm sorry.
Scuba goggles.
Scuba goggles? Is that what they look like? Oh, I gotcha.
Is it the blue line out and the letters?
Yeah, so you're saying that really
Yeah. No, it's really
your eyes are in here. Like that? Okay, I got it.
Blue line.
I agree. Well, that's, he wears glasses.
But I don't think they go into your eye.
Yeah, he's got glasses on. I think actually you buy your goggles special with prescription lenses.
Yeah.
If you really need glasses. All right. So you're exactly right. That's what we're looking for. So the red arc, or the oval here, whatever we want to call it, represents all the points that are 3 units away from this segment. Now, are we suggesting that this distance from here to there is 3 units? No. We're not suggesting that. We're suggesting that the closest distance from this point to the arc is right there, and that is 3 units away. And the closest distance from that point to here is 3 units away. And the closest distance from that point to there is 3 units away. And if I move this to here,
You'd have to-
again, are we suggesting that?
No, it would have to be perpendicular.
Are we suggesting that that is 3 units? Caleb, would you say that nice and loud? What you're trying to say?
No, it would have to be perpendicular in order to be 3 units because it's a straight line, it's parallel to a straight line.
A long time ago, many chapters ago, we said the closest distance between a point and a line is on the perpendicular. From that line through the point. So Caleb's saying that this would have to be perpendicular for this measurement to be 3 units. And that's correct. Okay? All right. I believe that's it for notes today.
So we're making.
Your assignment today and tomorrow is 1 through 21 all. And get finished up on everything else. Okay? Now you see we have 3 days of review planned. We're going to waste time, not take advantage of our time, then I will move the test to Friday. So you want to work and ask questions, ask for help, whatever you need to do. Get ready for this test. Some of you cannot afford another really bad test score.